What would you do if you got lost in a crowded place? Would you talk to a stranger? Would you take candy from someone you don't know? Today, Tom is about to learn an important lesson.
Wow! This place is huge! I've never seen so many rides! I know, right? This is so exciting!
Here's a park map. It'll help you get around.
Thank you so much. This is really helpful.
Look at all these rides! I don't even know where to start! Same! Everything looks awesome! That one looks scary, but fun! Yeah, but that one looks even cooler!
This is the zip line. It's pretty adventurous.
You'll feel like you're flying.
I really want to try this. Wow! Me too. It looks amazing. This line is so long. I hate waiting. Yeah. I wish it moved faster. Let's move up a little. No one will notice.
Ouch! That hurts.
I'm really sorry. We didn't mean to hurt you.
It's okay, but please be careful. Tom, Anna, you need to wait your turn.
No pushing. That's not polite.
I will wait in line like everyone else.
That's the right thing to do.
Let me check your height.
Okay. I hope I'm tall enough.
Sorry, you're not tall enough for this ride.
Ah, that's disappointing. I really wanted to do it.
Safety comes first, Tom.
You guys go ahead.
Thanks for understanding.
Please buckle up and follow the rules. Got it. We are ready.
This is amazing. Woo!
I feel like I'm flying.
I'm recording this. Smile, Mom and Dad!
Safe landing.
Great ride, thank you. That was so fun.
You can try it when you are older.
I love how colorful this ride is. Yeah! It makes me dizzy, but happy. I can see the whole park from up here.
Yep, best view in the park.
Bumper cars are always fun.
I'm gonna drive fast! Oops, sorry, Dad.
No worries. That is part of it.
This is so much fun!
I haven't laughed this hard in a while.
That Ferris wheel is huge.
Let's ride it together. Let's sit close.
This one feels nice and calm.
Everything looks so small up here. Yeah, it's really pretty.
Let's grab some drinks.
I'm so thirsty.
What do you want?
Orange juice, please. What's going on over there? I want to see. I'll just take a quick look. They won't notice.
Here you go.
Thanks, Mom. Where's Tom? He was just here.
I don't see Tom.
That's not good.
Tom! Tom! Where are you?
Answer us, Tom. I will go this way.
Anna, stay with me.
Have you seen my son, Nick?
No, we're looking for our son too.
This is really scary.
I know, but we need to stay calm.
This movie looks cool. Yeah, let's go inside. You need to be with an adult.
Oh. Okay.
I guess we can't go in.
Yeah, that's too bad.
Well, I can't find my family. Me neither. It's so crowded. I'm starting to worry. My legs hurt. I'm tired. I'm scared. I want my mom. It's okay. Our parents are looking for us. We should stay right here. It's busy, so someone will see us.
Hey, kids. What's wrong? Why are you crying? Here, have some candy. I can help you.
My dad said no candy. Not from strangers. We can't go with you. We will wait right here.
Oh, okay. Good luck then.
That was scary. You did the right thing. Thanks for helping me. That's what friends are for. Tom! Over there! That's him! Tom! I found you! Anna! I was so scared!
Tom, you're safe.
Thank goodness.
We were so worried.
I'm so glad you're okay.
I stayed where people were.
No one's mad.
We just want you safe. Rule 1. Stay with your family. Never walk off alone.
Rule 2. Don't take food from strangers, even if they seem nice.
Rule 3. Don't follow strangers. Always be careful.
Rule 4. Stay in a busy place. And ask park staff for help.
I'm really sorry. I won't do that again.
Thank you for saying that. We trust you.
Let's stay together, Tom. Always, Anna. Let's follow the map. Good idea.
This feels better now.
Yeah, it feels much safer.
I'm having fun again. Me too. I won't walk off again. I promise.
That's all we want. Stay close.
Today is still a good day.
Yeah, it is. I learned something important. Safety matters. I'm proud of you. Thanks, sis.
Let's enjoy the rest of the day.
Together.
Safe fun starts with family. And clear rules.
Stay close, stay safe.